What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're going to talk about the 10 things you need to have to be an Uber driver. Before we jump into this video, we wanted to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor, Elite Hustle University. Elite Hustle University is going to teach you how to make your first million online. For those of you that don't know, we are fully submerged in the digital era, and the amount of different ways you can make money online is incredible. That's where Elite Hustle University comes in to bridge the gap between your knowledge gap and making more money online. If you use code RIDESHAREHUB, linked in the description below, you get your first month free, which means access to a private Discord group for members, as well as all the information and courses that are in there. So definitely check that out, guys. Let's jump into the video. Alrighty. So I always say the number one thing you need as a driver, and this is always overlooked, is a dash cam. For me, it's just safety first in all scenarios. We've all heard the stories. Even though in reality it's pretty minimal and your odds of actually running into anything dangerous are very limited, the more you drive, the higher your chances are, and it's just for the peace of mind more than anything. Get a dash cam, guys. Next on the list is a car wash membership. This is easily one of the biggest game changers for me since I've been driving, is the ability to, usually anywhere from $7 to $20 a month, pull into a really good car wash. You get the exterior done, vacuum everything out real quick. A lot of times, like the one I go to, they have little things of like wax and detailing stuff in a vending machine for like $1. And so once a week, if it's a busy week, once a month normally, I'll buy a few of those and do a quick detail even inside. It's a big game changer. Definitely recommend that. Next on the list is going to be an interesting one, but this is one that a lot of drivers told me works really well, and that's a tip jar. If you want to get more tips, encourage them yourself to tip. Sometimes a lot of people said they would just set it, kind of like strap it in between the armrests, between the front and the passenger seat. Tip jar, they'd put a cute little line on it, like every penny literally takes you an extra mile, or just something dumb like that. And people were literally tipping them more just by having it right in front of them. So that's a great thing to do. Next, obviously, is a phone mount, but the thing is the right phone mount. So a lot of people get the ones that plug into the vents. Those suck. A lot of people get the ones that suction to your windshield. Those also suck, and they leave a mark. They suck, literally. No pun intended. The ones you want to get are the magnet ones. Those have always worked the best for me. I can usually mount it right in between the two AC vents. That's like the perfect height for me. I also don't like the ones that go on the window because it does block a little bit of your vision. I mean, not much, but it's enough to where it annoys me seeing it there all day. So that's a great option. Another thing, if you have a newer car, I always preferred just honestly doing the navigation through the Apple CarPlay anyways, but I think everybody's using a mount for some degree. And if you don't like the one you have, Google some magnetic ones. I promise you'll be happy. They're a little more expensive though, so don't be cheap. Window covers. If you don't have window tint, especially if you're in a very sunny state, you definitely want to get those pull down covers. Just makes for a better overall experience. Next on the list is just the proper amenities for the insides. For some people, that's snacks and waters. For me, it was always mainly waters, and then I would do mints. I would do a little bit of cologne for the dates. And then I would do puke baggies, Tylenol or aspirin, stuff that for anyone that gets sick. Next up is a gas station membership. This to me is a must, and ideally you want to try and somehow pair this with your Uber and Lyft gas rewards so you can double dip every time you fill up. Throwing in something like Get Upside is also going to be a game changer. And the last one on my list is a small cooler. Something that you can pack a lunch in so that you can save money on your meals. So anyways, that's what we got for you guys today. The 10 things you need as an Uber driver. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Definitely check out Elite Hustle University, linked in the description below. Get your first month free by using code RIDESHAREHUB. Learn a new digital skill today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe out there more than anything, and stay tuned for more updates.